Hi, my name is Chirag Ahuja, and in this video I am talking about the banking systems and banking sectors in India. So let's get started. In India there are two banking sectors which is commonly known as government banking sector and private banking sector. So now first we are talking about the government banking sector. Apart from this, if someone wants to be a professional banker or a professional officer in the government sector, he or she might be clearing the exam of IBPS like PO, SO, RRB, IBPS PO, SIB clerk, SIB SO, etc. and etc. or RBI officer grade B. So these all are the exams that we have to pass if we want to become a professional banker in the government sector. And in this, the first level is the pre-exams. If we clear the pre-exams, then we have moved to the second level, which is known as the mains exam. And if we clear the second level mains, then we have to face the last stage, that is known as the interview. And if we clear all the three stages of the government exams of the banks, then we have received our allotment letter or appointment letter from the banks in 10 to 15 days for joining the bank from the next date as soon as possible. And these are some posts in the government sector banks, and these are bank clerk, accountant, banker, relationship manager, loan officer, investment banker, and personal banker, branch manager, banker officer, loan officer, etc. and etc. And those people who are selected in this field had a different kind of a work in their own field. So this is all about the government banks, their post, their designation, their work and all. And secondly, if now I am talking about the private banks, they are very different from the government banks. But the works, the designation are almost same, around 90%. But private banks are slightly different from the government ones. Now we can see how private banks are different from the government ones. In private sector banks like HDFC, ICICI, Kotak Mahindra Bank, AU Small Finance Bank, Muthoot Finance, etc. and etc. In these banks, there is no need of any kind of a selection process or an entrance exam as we giving in the government sector banks. In this bank, all we have need is a good skill, knowledge and a master degree. For selecting in the private banks, you have need a very good percentage in 12th class and you have completed your graduation or master degree in the banking course or any other course, but you have a good skills and knowledge in the banking sector. And third, you have a good speaking and communication knowledge as well as good computing knowledge like Excel, Tally ERP9, their banking programs, etc. and etc. On the basis of your education and knowledge, you have to make a proper CV and submitting to the bank's HR and manager. And after that, you have to give around 3 or 2 interviews which was conducted by the HR managers and the leading head boss of the banks. And after clearing all the interview and stages of the in banks, you are got selected and you got the confirmation letter from the bank's manager, HR and boss. And if they didn't give the appointment letter at the same time, they will send the appointment letter in 10 to 15 days through the post. And after that, you have to join the bank as soon as possible. So this is all about the private banks in private banking systems in India. And after selecting in the private bank, you have to join the bank as soon as possible. And the designations, the posts are also same as the government bank like clerk, PO, relationship manager, branch manager, personal banker, loan officer, etc. and etc. So this is the proper description of the banking system in India and the difference between what is private bank and what is government bank. Thank you so much.